Jay's blog number 2. I'm waking up, just woke up after the second day out in Puerto Rico. Fucked up. Mild hangover, slight headache. Stomach feels very shitty right now. I'm just waking up. You can see what time it is in the afternoon. that's never good. So yeah, I'm just waking up. Fucked up. Too many drinks last night. Too many. I guess I'm about to get dressed, call my cousin, and get something to eat. But yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all.